Let's talk about 3D Skull Ice Cube Mold Tray Reusable Flexible Silicone Vivid Skull Ice Cube Maker Mold for Giant Cavities Ice Maker with Lid Black. "3D Creative Skull Shape Ice." The real-looking skull shape ice make your drinks look really awesome. Slowly melting and fun to make. More than a ice mold, the silicone skull mold can also be used as a sugar cake skull mold to DIY fancy sugar cubes. Baking, add water, yogurt, juice, wine, Coke, whiskey and more. It is fantastic to be used in various occasions like parties, beaches, wine party and holiday events, etc. Safe and environmentally friendly, easy to use skull ice mold made of 100% silicone, without any smell, no harmful substances. The use of very simple, skull ice out easy, do not need complex operation. Easy to use, full in water directly up to 23 water and cover the lid or fill with funnel. Soft, flexible silicone makes it easier to remove after freezing. This durable and flexible silicone ice tray won't crack or break like plastic ice tray. Every order is backed by a money-back guarantee for 100% customer satisfaction. We focus on providing high-quality, cost-effective products and services. Not the best. Unlike other molds I have used, top doesn't fit securely, so lifts up when you fill with water, but at the price you get what you paid for. Easy to use, ice cubes smaller than anticipated but look amazing. 1-star taken off for packaging, arrives in clear plastic bag, just thought it would have been presented a bit better. Product overall is great. Not easy to fill and the shape is not perfect.